if you come into the web application, you can see the application is like this, and increase the efficiency, there's pagination, and you can only see 3 items per page. And if you go into the next page, you can see there are 3 more items to buy. And also if a user comes and want to buy a item, they can add to cart, and if they want multiple items, they can add to cart even that. And if you want to access that cart, you can press the cart symbol, or you can press the buy button in each and every item. When you are in the cart, you can decrease the item or increase the item if you want. And if you want to continue shopping, you can go and then add another item to the cart, and then you can check out that. And you have not logged in, so you have to provide your name and email to identify the users. So if you type in the name and then the email, you can continue by pressing continue. You can access the PayPal, or you can give your debit card or credit card credentials directly. If you press PayPal, it will go into a pop-up where you can log into your PayPal account. So I have already logged into my PayPal account, as you can see, and then you can see the amount, and then you can pay using that. If the transaction is completed, you will receive a pop-up box and a message saying transaction completed by, and we have the name, so you can see your name as well. If he wants to buy the item, and he can give the name and the email to make sure he gets the he will get a QR code for the items that he ordered. You can see the QR code for the items he ordered will appear, and he can show it to the vending machine, and he can buy the items he wants. So all this process is for a user who is not logged in with the vending machine web application. If a login user have to access the web application, he have to go to the login part. Before he has to log in, he has to sign in to get in to create an account. So he got to sign up, and then you can register the account like this. And if the password is not secured enough, it will show that the password is not secured enough, so you have to put a valid password to sign up for this account. If you want to sign into the account, you can give your credentials and then sign into your account, and it will redirect you to a page which is like this. So what is the advantages of having this kind of account is, he can go into the profile and see the orders that he has placed vending homepage, and then buys an item, and then go to the cart, and then checking if he checks out, and then you can see that he doesn't need to give the email and the name. He can pay directly, and you can see we can go to PayPal and then pay for the item. If the transaction is completed, he can see that the QR code directly appears. If he goes back to the profile and then sees the order, he can see that the order is bought by him. So one order is pending. You can see that he ordered Snickers and then the order is pending. If he goes into the settings, he can put a profile picture or change the profile picture and name and then the email, and he can even add a phone number. And then if you log out, and then if you are an admin, you have to put the admin credentials here and then sign. If you sign in, you can get the admin view. So if you go into the admin view, you can see that the total orders are there, and then orders delivered, and then orders pending, and you can see the customers profiles, and then the orders which are delivered and which are not delivered, which are pending. You can see that as well. And then if you want to see the profile of the customer, you can see that if you go into Prabhu, you can see that how many orders that he has put, and then which is pending, delivered or not paid. You can see that also, and you can search search in order with the order to dates, order ID, transaction ID. You can use that to search as well. So if we go back into the dashboard, you can see that he can see each and every customer that he wants, and how many items that he has bought and what are the statuses, and if he is an admin, he can go to the products and then he can add 2 products. So if he wants to create a product, he can go into create a product and then create and then put an image, and then he can submit to the product list that is available there. And if he wants to go to the store and then see the products that are available there, he can go and then he can see the items there. And if you go next, you can see that the product we have created is also in display here. And then if you go into the query and then click on that, you can even increase the number of the product. And then if he doesn't want the item, he can always delete the item that is displayed here, and then if we want to delete it, we can submit the delete query. And then if someone wants to search for an item available for this specific amount, he can always search for that item as well. And then there are different types of searches available with this. If he goes into the store and pending to vending, he can see all the pending to vending QR codes that he has ordered, and that is all for this demonstration. Thank you.